Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about photoelectron spectroscopy, that is PES. It is a very important techniques for determining the atomic and molecular electronic energy level and hence ionization energy, that is a binding energy of atom and molecules. When an atom or molecule is subjected to high energy radiation, photons in the radiation collide and ejected the electrons from atom, leaving behind ions. H nu, that is photon, passed to molecule, the molecule gets ionized and electron ejected with a certain velocity. Therefore, H nu must be equal to binding energy plus kinetic energy, or binding energy equal to H nu minus kinetic energy. The ejected electron depart with a different velocity, and the photoelectron spectroscopy measure the velocity distribution of released electrons. This is the principle in photoelectron spectroscopy. Now we discuss about one problem based on photoelectron spectroscopy. When 40.81 electron volt radiation is used to produce photoelectron spectra of neon, the kinetic energy of the emitted photoelectron is 19 electron volt. What is the IE of this spectra? So இங்க KE கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, kinetic energy கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 19 electron volt, and H nu கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 40.81 electron volt கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. binding energy கேக்குறாங்க. ஒரு ரொம்ப சிம்பிளான ப்ராப்ளம் தான். Therefore binding energy equal to H nu minus kinetic energy. Therefore 40 minus 81 minus 19, we get 21.81 electron volt. The fingerprint of a given element is provided by UPES or UVPES and XPES. UV means ultraviolet photoelectron spectroscopy and X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy. Sources of UVPES and XPES: helium lamp or helium gas discharge tube using wavelength 58.4 nanometer or 21.2 electron volt in the UV region. UV photoelectron spectroscopy is used for the excitation of valence electron. And XPES, that is X-ray PES, a higher energy is required to ionize inner electron core, for which an X-rays sources used and is known as XPES. For XPES, very high intensity source synchrotron radiation is used, or aluminum or magnesium are also used. For both XPES and UVPES, the kinetic energy of the ejected electron is measured using a hemispherical analyzer. It is very important one. The photoelectron spectrum is a plot of number of electron emitted versus kinetic energy in electron volt. The value of binding energy of electrons fall in the range 5 to 30 electron volt. If non-bonding electrons are removed, there is virtually, that is nearly no change in bond strength or bond length. But if an antibonding electrons are ionized, the bond becomes stronger and is shorter. If an electron is removed from the regenerate level, the resulting ion may initially also be in the degenerate state. Subsequent distortion of the ion may needed to a removal of degeneracy and hence splitting of energy level. That is, electron remove ஆச்சுன்னா degeneracy remove ஆயிரும், அவ்வளோதான். சரிங்களா? It is known as John Teller effect for non-linear molecule, Renner-Teller effect for linear molecule. Then applications: sodium azide give 2 peaks, high positive charge increase the bonding energy, and ethyl acetate gives 4 peaks. So this is some information about photoelectron spectroscopy. Thank you friends.